So here we go again. The last time I cooked you a pasta dish, and today I'm going to cook you another pasta dish. So what have we got today? I've got this Italian language book which I bought in Padova, which is in Veneto. Okay, I'm going to put up a map here so you can show you where Padova is. Just zoom in. There it is there. Veneto. There's Venice. There's Padova, there are the Alps, and there's the sea. This recipe is pici con carciofi e olive. Pici is a type of pasta. I had to look it up. It's kind of like rough pasta snake things, not quite spaghetti but thick. It's pasta fresca. Carciofi, that's artichokes. I got a can here. E olive, olives. So it looks quite simple. It's like garlic, rosemary, pecorino, oil, salt, pepper. And it says 4 mature tomatoes, but I'm just going to use this. So let's get started. Start again with 1 clove of garlic. It says 1 clove. I'm going to use 3. I showed one of my Italian friends the video the last time where it said a couple of cloves of garlic, and I used half a garlic. I used like troppo, too much. So let's go. Okay, there's the chopped garlic. It says I need rosmarino. I'll have to get the rosmarino from here. Found it. Okay, I don't have pici, but I do have tagliatelle. Get the name right. Tagliatelle all'uovo. Okay, there we go. I put some water on. Let's bring that to the boil. So what do I need to do? Tritate finissimi gli agli del rosmarino e dorateli nell'olio con aglio. So I need to put these with the murametto. I don't have a rametto di rosmarino. I'll just put in un cucchiaino, a teaspoon. It doesn't say how much olive oil. Never mind. This is olive oil from Verona, provincia di Verona, I think. What does it say here? Grezzana, Verona. I don't even know where Grezzana is. I can look that up. Put the garlic in, don't brown it. My rosmarino. Gosh, let's have a look at the vino. Maybe Bardolino. I think Bardolino. What do you think? Bardolino, Valpolicella, or I think I want to go for Bardolino because this is also from Veneto. I'm going to sheet a little bit. I'm going to put in the tomatoes first. So before I start, I'm going to try this grappa. If you don't know what grappa is, it's distilled. It's made from the leftover grapes in the process of making wine. And because I'm learning Georgian and obsessing with Georgian cuisine and Georgian wines and culture, in Georgia they call it cha-cha. That's very good. I've tasted that before. So this is from Bassano del Grappa, from Veneto as well. And yeah, let's try a little bit with my nice glass and the kringlopvinkel. Salute. Oh my god. Let's get back to the food. I'm going to put in the olive. I want to put in the carciofi. Let's put in the carciofi. Not really sure if that's the way it's meant to look. Let's have another sip of grappa. Well, I bought this in the bookshop in Padova in September, and at the same time I got this book which I'm reading. Ernest Hemingway, in Italian, Addio alle armi. So far I'm loving it. He drinks a lot in it. He falls in love in it a lot. So yeah, I'm almost halfway through it. It's written as fiction, but I think it's actually quite biographical. And if you've seen the film In Love and War, I think it's called In Love and War, I saw that in the 90s and I really thought it was great because there was also filmed Bassano del Grappa in it. But so far in his book he's in Gorizia, which is in Friuli. And I've been in Gorizia last year and I really loved it. I really like Gorizia. It's right on the border between Italy and Slovenia. And here is Gorizia. It's right by the border with Slovenia. But at the time Ernest Hemingway was there, this would have also been part of Italy. Don't forget the salt. Hey Pepe, let's do the sale Pepe. So have you ever read a book and you felt that you really knew the person and you felt like they're your friend? That happens when you read a good book. So that's what I'm feeling now with Ernest Hemingway. The only thing that was kind of lost in translation was he talked about Turkey. Turkey the animal and Turkey the country. It doesn't translate, so it's Turkey, Takino. Turkia, the country, Takino, the birds. Anyway, I digress. Let's take our pecorino. I'm making a mess. Right, let's finish off the last of this grappa. Put the grappa back. Okay, so let's put the pasta in. Pasta sauce is more or less ready. This is pasta fresca, so it only takes a few minutes to cook. It's not like pasta asciutta, dried pasta. I think it's starting to take shape. Let's have a look. Let's open the Bardolino. This is made by Masi. They also make Amarone della Valpolicella. This, I'm expecting a lot from this. It's the bottle opener. I always use these, but I have one of those cheapy things there, but use one, don't use the bottle opener that goes like this. And then you have to push it down and then the cork goes out. Because it destroys the cork. Oh, there it is, look. And then you screw it in like this. And the arms go up in the air like that. Because it destroys the cork. Leave that on there. So this is a bottle opener I got from a long time ago. I got it from Rob and Erica in Ireland, my sister and brother-in-law. It's part of a bigger package of things. Just let me take a look at food. I think it's time. Not really sure about it. In the meantime, let's open the bottle of wine. Close that up, somebody might lose an eye. Off you go. Listen to the pop. Right, let's use a proper wine glass. I'll just take a small taste first. It's okay, it's good. So let's serve up the pasta. I'll use my spaghetti scooper pooper. There it is. Now it's time for formaggio. Let's put the formaggio on it. Allora, buon appetito. And now I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to take a photograph.
The Israeli government is seeking his extradition as a war criminal.
Buono.